Hey everyone, John Chow here for johnchow.com. I'm here at the San Clemente Outlet for the weekly South OC Cars and Coffee. It's the Thanksgiving edition. It's gonna be a big show. Let's go check it out. Yeah, happy Thanksgiving everyone. You can see it's Thanksgiving, and usually Christmas Eve is, or Christmas day after Christmas is usually the big show. Huge show. Cars are still coming in. The show just started, and on my way in here, the lineup was all the way to the highway. So, all right, let's just start here. We have James's Audi R8, supercharged Audi R8. Another Audi R8. This one has a nice big wing in the back. Check that out. Yeah, that was pretty cool. And it also has a supercharged VF Engineering engine, so identical to this one, except this one got carbon fiber. This one doesn't. STO Lamborghini, very nice. A GT3, a 992 turbo. Another Audi R8 here. Ferrari, California. Ooh, look at this. A vintage Ferrari, four-seater. Another California. This here is an F430 Spider with a little bit of a body kit there. And if you're wondering what that sound is behind me, it's a Cobra backing up into a parking spot. Continuing, we have a 650 McLaren Spider. Oh, this is a new Lamborghini Technica, Huracan Technica, with a matte gray paint job. Pretty cool. Dodge Viper, slant nose Porsche Turbo. These are pretty rare. Yeah. Check that out. Even has a roof rack. I love it. And here we have a Ferrari Testarossa from the Miami Vice Day. This one's actually for sale. Yeah. Check it out. So if you're interested in a 1990 Ferrari Testarossa, you know, with the way back then automatic seatbelt. So you get in, close the door, and this seatbelt goes loops around you. Yeah. But you still need to put on the lap belt manually. So that kind of defeats the purpose, doesn't it? Evo, Lamborghini, convertible, another Ferrari, Italia Spider.
I can't say anything, but
Performante, Spider, yeah. 720, Spider, Italia, sponsored by Red Bull, Richard Mille, Shell. Another Italia here. Here, a Gallardo. Check it out. A V8 Vantage F1 edition. Acura NSX. And here we have another Performante with crushed carbon fiber. And I saw a VF Engineering sticker on there, so I'm gonna assume it's supercharged. And yes it is. There it is, the supercharger. Very nice. So take a look at a crushed carbon fiber spoiler with the ALA system. So this ALA system stands for it's Lamborghini's aerodynamic active aero system. So basically air goes in here, actually air goes in there, which is connected to here. So air goes in there and goes inside this wing. This wing is hollow, so it's not a solid wing. So air goes in there, and then it comes out through these little vents. These little vents here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's these vents here. And what happened is that these air vents disrupt the air going over the wing, and that can cause it either to create more drag or create more downforce. So when you're going on a straightaway, it will activate that to create less downforce on the wing, and when you go in the corner, it stops it, and then it creates more downforce, so it's active. And you can adjust it between the left side and the right side, so it has what they call aero vectoring. Pretty cool. And then we have an Aventador, Spider, or Roadster. Yeah, you can take the roof off, which is what I would need to do because I don't fit these cars. I'm too tall. Every time I get into a Lamborghini, my head hits the roof. So I would need a convertible version. Another 992 Turbo. This one in I think the Porsche calls this fuchsia blue or phantom blue, something like that. It really looks gray. All right, let's see what else is coming. Another F1 V8 Vantage. This one in a beautiful blue. Interesting looking wheels on this Ferrari. It reminds me of the wheels from Lamborghini. Yeah, the old Countach wheels. And he's got a pretty big spoiler in the back there. Porsche, Renegade Porsche. This has a Chevy V8 in it. Another Porsche, air-cooled Porsche, and a Corvette with a modern V8. So, an LS3. Yeah, I guess the original motor either blew up or got stolen or went missing, so owner replaced it with a new Corvette motor. Nice. And what was this? If you ever see this car being trailer, call 911. It's definitely been stolen. Great way to say that the owner drives this car. That's good. Wow. The Oldsmobile Rocket. Man, it's older than me. This thing's older than me. You can tell it's probably older than you as well. Yeah. The Oldsmobile Rocket. Side pipes. Yeah, look at that. Oh, and look at that. Punch out louvers. Yeah. Yeah. That's so cool. No fenders, you know. That's so cool. And next to it there's a Lotus. Sign. Yeah, so this is I guess British hot rod. American hot rod. Oh, look, the Soccer Mom minivan is back. Yes, this is the ultimate minivan. Oh, it's on air ride. It's been slammed to the ground, as you can see. So don't worry, it can raise back up. Carbon mirrors. Look at the interior. Totally redone. I love this, you know. Yeah. That's so cool. And there's the hydraulics that lift the car up. Big subwoofer. Remote control for the kids. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe it's for soccer dad. Check out this vintage Mercedes SL. Yeah. Oh, nice. Look at that, huh? Big Hummer, big Jeep, medium-sized Mustang, and minis. Check this thing out. Oh wow, a wide body fender flare Camaro. Look at the fender flares on this thing. Look at the size of the front tire. And look at the size of that rear tire. Holy crap. That's insane. You got the wide fender flares, stripped out interior. Yeah, Sparkles racing seat. Oh my word. Plexiglass, not glass, save weight. Additional lip. But oh my God, that rear tire is crazy. So huge. What size are these tires? Yeah. Triple R's. 335. Wow. Yeah, this thing is ready to carve up the Ortega Highway. Wow. Look at this thing. What a motor. Holy. All right. Twin turbo setup. I mean, intercooler. So that's the air intake. Not much of a filter, just basically a mesh that spins it up. And there's the exhaust. So the exhaust comes here, spins this side of the impeller, the turbo, and that just exits right here, open pipe. And then so this turbo is connected to this impeller, which spins and brings the air inside, which then gets sucked into the intercooler, and then goes up with this pipe here and into the intake manifold. There's a blow-off valve. Interesting. So this side turbo has to route this way, and then meets at this V junction to go into the intercooler. That's pretty nuts. Wow. And the heat jacket on the turbo to keep it cool. Let's see. So look at the interior. Not the most comfortable. Still a metal seat. Not much upholstery. Yeah, natural color. And the bed. Not much of a bed. As you can see, no bed. The tire has a fuel tank. You can see the the live axle differential. This thing is pretty crazy. It'll be my pick for car of the week. Here we have a three-wheel Vanderhaal. Yeah, these are pretty cool. The license is a motorcycle, and you know they're a lot of fun for you and two people. Yeah. Here's the third wheel there, and then right next to this Vanderhaal, check it out. It's a Lotus Elan. I haven't seen one of these things in like forever. Check out the Lotus Elan. Yeah, this is one of those forgotten Lotus. It looks beautiful and everything, but for some reason it just never caught on. It's a convertible, and it's a good-looking convertible. Really nice, good-looking car. You know, mind you, way back then the quality wasn't that great. You can see the lots of plastic everywhere. The fit and finish, you know, typical for Lotus at the time. Panels don't line up. Huge gap there, no gap here. You know, humongous gap there. No, yeah, you know, it's it. But back when quality wasn't job one. But the car, you know, looks beautiful when you're standing back from it and not noticing all the small detail. Like from here, check it out. And is that just not a beautiful shape? Yeah, unfortunately, it never caught on. Tesla Model S Plaid, and this Tesla has the 19-inch wheel, but the owner removed the hubcaps. So this is what it looks like without the caps on. So actually that looks pretty good, but they included the hubcap because they help reduce the aerodynamic drag on the car and gives you a better range. But if it was me, yeah, I would remove the caps. All right, check this thing out. Now this is what I call a bus. This is a party bus right here. Tiki roof. Look at the interior. Look at that. I mean, flowers everywhere, and look at that shifter. Look at that shifter. That's awesome. So you got enough room for everybody, even the dog. And look at the back. Wow. This is awesome. This is totally awesome, this thing here. Yeah. Bamboo. The Volkswagen Bamboo bus. And right next to it, we have another Volkswagen bus, but this one is 100% electric. So yeah, this is an electric bus. And of course, like Volkswagen is bringing back the electric bus, but here's a vintage electric bus. Yeah, oh, check out the space inside. That is awesome, look at that. It even has a shifter, which I guess is not needed anymore since this thing's electric. So, yeah, here's the motor. Check out the motor here.
It's only about 60, 70 miles.
Cool. That's really, really cool.
Yeah.
Wow. The electric bus. I'd rather have the old electric bus than a new electric bus.
But it's a 21 window electric bus.
21 windows too.
21 window. Roll back, top, plug it in.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So with it.
All right, so that's the charging port. Where the fuel cap used to be. So here we have a super rare Lamborghini Murcielago. And what makes this one so rare is because it's one of the very, very few Lamborghinis with a manual transmission. So check that out. There it is, the gated shifter. Like most of the Lamborghini Murcielago were E-gears, but this one is one of the very few with a manual. And because it has a manual transmission, this thing is worth a fortune. Worth a fortune right here, yeah. This is a super performance GT40 replica. So basically it's a replica of the original, and it is very, very low. I'm talking super low. I mean, see, look at that, up to the guy's knees. It is so low that I have no prayer of fitting in it, and no one would have prayer of fitting in it. Look at that, that's a bump. That's a bump to clear your head, because you're supposed to wear a helmet, and yeah, the helmet bump. Plastic, okay, that's your vent there, and there's the motor. Instead of the original motor, they have a modern Mustang motor. Oh, that's one way to enjoy South OC cars and coffee. Daddy-son bonding time, no less. And this is South OC Cars and Coffee. It happens every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. here at the San Clemente Outlet. If you're in a car, this is a place to be. Great way to spend a morning. If you have a son, get some go-karts and do like those two people. Yeah. JohnShop@johnside.com. Thank you everyone for watching. If you enjoyed that, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.